Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best folding mountain bikes in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 9. Paratrooper Highline. Are you sick and tired from leaning into your trail bike? Especially if you're a male with a good height, it's exceptionally hard to keep leaning in and riding for long hours. If you've given up on your riding dreams just because it's way too uncomfortable for you and your back, then you should hang on. There's still hope for you. Montague is here to save the day once more. With the Paratrooper Highliner, Montague brings the ultimate biking experience for taller people, especially males. With their taller height and wider frame, it is tougher to find a perfect bike for their demeanor, and with its folding nature, it stays compact and can sit in the back of your car or even inside a corner in your closet. The Paratrooper Highliner is fit to ride on any terrain you can think of, from mountains to the beach or the gravel. This folding bike is a true multifunctional gem. The ultimate adventure sports bike specially designed for taller individuals is now a reality. It's great for riders as tall as a staggering 6 feet 4 inches. But that's not it. With the adjustable seat, you can optimize comfort to match your height perfectly. Number 8. Paratrooper Elite. The Paratrooper Elite is top tier. It is by far the best and highest performing folding mountain bike. The toughest folding mountain bike is built for effortlessly moving across rugged bike trails. So whether you're riding on mountain paths or over tough gravel, Paratrooper Elite won't disappoint you. Paratrooper Elite allows for a smooth and comfortable ride. No matter how bumpy the path gets, your bike ride won't. Built by the Swiss line Montague, these rough and tough military-grade bikes are one of a kind. With effortless gear shifts and hydraulic brakes, you can ride your bike for hours without an ounce of fatigue. Its larger Mavic wheels are phenomenal for riding over obstacles. It's also among one of the best quality full suspension folding bikes. There genuinely aren't many bikes that can meet the high standards of the Paratrooper Elite. Its versatile, comfortable, and sturdy design is unbeatable. Number 7. Paratrooper Pro. Want a military-grade mountain bike but a futuristic design as well? Do you think it's impossible to have both? With the Paratrooper Pro, Montague has proven that wrong. A traditional Montague bike is known for its sturdy military-grade build. But with the Paratrooper Pro, Montague went one step further. The Paratrooper brings you the same unmatched mountain bike quality with upgrades and a sleek design. Now you can take on any terrain in style without worrying about the wear and tear on your mountain bike. The Paratrooper Pro has 27 speeds. It's incredible for off-road traveling, remote bike travel, and adventure touring alike. So don't let anything hold you back anymore. Explore and conquer mountains with the Paratrooper Pro. Its 100mm suspension fork with lockout will let you explore even the most unthinkable terrains. It's foldable as well, so you can pack it in your car the next time you go camping. All you need to have is a taste for adventure, and you're good to go. Number 6. Eurobike G7. Need a bike for navigating around town daily? Something built for rough roads and at an affordable price? Save both space and money with one of the best folding bikes out there. The 27.5 front fork allows for the attachment of larger tires for you to glide around the city effortlessly. The Eurobike G7 is a top-notch bike for moving about the city with its high-quality shock absorbers. This masterpiece can take a beating. Don't worry about those bumps along the road with a durable steel frame. You're completely safe. Its dual-disc brake will stop you in your tracks and is designed to take on the hustle-bustle of the city. So get yourself the best of the best folding bikes made for city life. Forget your worries about storage with the Eurobike G6. The bike folds away effortlessly so that you can store it in your apartment building or your garage. Number 5. Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike. Are you looking for a sporty and charming mountain bike? Are you sick and tired of looking at the same old boring folding mountain bikes over and over again? What if we told you that the folding mountain bike of your dreams is still out there? The Outroad 26-inch folding mountain bike is a unique bike that comes in bright and attractive colors. It comes in a bright yellow and bright orange color. So now you can be expressive through your bike as well. The bike is made of a carbon steel frame, adding to the overall strength of the bike. With a comfortable seat and a frame designed for optimal comfort, you can ride for hours before experiencing any symptoms of fatigue. With dual suspension gears and 21 speed gears, the ride becomes even smoother and more comfortable than ever before. The Outroad bike is the best foldable mountain bike for those who enjoy being expressive and playing around with bold colors. Number 4. Eurobike Speed Foldable Bike. The next bike on our list is for all the adventurous ladies out there. Have you been putting off the idea of going on a biking adventure just because you can't find the right bike? If you're into mountain biking but dread carrying bulky heavyweight bikes around, the Eurobike Speed Foldable Bike is your go-to bike. Much lighter than the other bikes, the Eurobike is compact and perfect for mountain trails. It comes in 3 attractive colors with dual suspension. This bike offers a smooth ride with effortless transitions. Now ride around rough trails without worrying about any damage to your bike. The overall frame and build of the bike is also a factor that gives it superior comfort. It ranks high up as the lightest folding bike, weighing only 40 pounds. Ride around in style without the need to drag around a bulky bike, which is hard to maneuver. A lightweight folding mountain bike is going to be the game changer you need on your next mountain adventure. Number 3. XPEC 7 Speed Folding Mountain Bike, black, 26-inch. Do you live in a small apartment? Or is your garage already cramped up? Let's face it. If you get a mountain bike in an already cramped up space, you're doing nobody any favors. However, there's one way to keep everyone happy. With the XPEC 7 Speed Folding Compact Mountain Bike, you don't need a lot of room to keep your prized possession. Keep it in your car or at the bottom of your closet. The point is that this foldable mountain bike won't get in your way. The best part is that it takes about 15 seconds to fold and unfold this folding bike. The XPEC is a fantastic grab because of its sturdy tensile frame, portability, and genuine Shimano SL-TX30 shifter. It might not seem much to the unknowing eye, but this shifter allows you to ride your bike at 7 different variable speeds effortlessly and smoothly. So if you're willing to spend a few greens in exchange for scoring a badass folding bike, XPEC is your go-to. Get your hands on this all-rounder and enjoy a fearless mountain biking experience like never before. Number 2. Opika Bike Foldable Electric Bike. There are thousands of conventional folding mountain bikes around. But what sets this one apart from most folding mountain bikes is that the Opika bike is electrically operated. If you're up for a futuristic riding experience, the Opika bike is right up your alley. But why should I buy this when there are so many other folding bikes to choose from? If you're asking the same question, then you're not alone. However, in all fairness, the Opika bike is one of a kind. Stereotypically, electric bikes aren't as heavy-duty. But unlike any other electrically operated traditional mountain bike, with the Opika bike, you get a reliable and high-performing bike, with no compromise on comfort and a high-power throttle. Opika is an unbeatable beast. Open yourself up to new dimensions of the world of mountain biking. This electric bike is any biker's dream come true. And with the cherry on top, its foldable nature gives it even more points for portability. Number 1. Electric mountain bikes for adults. 27.5-foot electric e-bikes have been the talk of the town for quite a while now. But there are no hybrid bikes quite as good as the Pedelec GS9. This bike stands out from the crowd because of its quality and its intelligent driving system. With the Pedelec GS9, you now get a bike with 3 riding modes. When you have a bike as smart as the Pedelec GS9, you don't have to worry about those dreadful rides uphill. TS human mode, electric mode, and power-assisted mode change up dynamically depending on how much boost you need. Its 500W motor can take whatever you throw at it. With 8 variable speeds and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, you'll feel like you're flying on the clouds. This one's definitely very high on our list of the best folding mountain bikes. It's the perfect intelligent mountain bike for those who want to go for a much more compact alternative. With this beast by your side, all your adventures can now become a reality. An intelligent power system that gives just the perfect boost for an effortless ride. The product comes 85% assembled, large rims with a strong grip, new bike frame design with full suspension.